grow more trees every day. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Renius, Operations Manager for Tree Cutting Services. Today we are in Greendale, where we are removing trees that are dangerous, that have become dangerous. There is an acacia tree which is leaning against a jurao. There are also two eucalyptus trees that are leaning towards the same jurao. So the client has engaged us to make sure that we remove the trees as safely as is possible. So this is what you are seeing our team doing at the moment. We are going to complete this job safely, and there's nothing that is going to be damaged. As an insured company, we take importance in all the tasks that we are given. So if you have got any residential, commercial or industrial tree felling job, engage Tree Cutting Service today. We are here to save your needs. Thank you.
Caught a cold white rabbit's foot home.